cards. We are going to keep going. We have to go and sit and see if it costs any money. We spent a couple minutes talking about politics. There was the cover and shot. State of the Union. Mike Reed right out. Good picture. I don't know.
Yeah.
I'll finish out my 1,100 or 1,100 days that is left to go. Politics. Targeted loyalty, I don't think should get in the way of you as an elected official. That's right, and I think that's what most of the public wants. Yes, based on all my reports.